or St. Peter, they got Abercrombie's. That was what we were always known for. And my aunt emailed me this real quick, this link about a 20-year-old.
Do you see the trees outside? Trees outside?
Who just died suddenly a couple of weeks ago. His name was David Knight.
Eli, can you say, Holy Hannah? Holy Hannah.
I think I read the story. I saw the story. I can't remember where the base was, but it got tonsillectomy and kind of bled to death. You gotta remember, this is one of the safest procedures you can if you're getting into the community.
Eli, can you show mommy what happens when baby Nana is naughty? What happens when baby Nana is naughty? Does baby Nana have to sit in timeout? Yeah. And you tell baby Nana, be nice, baby Nana. No, no, no. Don't hit mommy. Be nice. Yeah, and then she says, sorry, mommy. And then you give her a hug and give her a kiss. Oh, that's so nice. Oh. Hi. Do you see the big truck up there? Eli, look. Up here. Eli, do you see the big truck?
Yeah.
Can you say big truck? Yeah. Eli, can you say A? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. That was really good. Are those your ABCs? Do you see a big truck? Eli, can you say one? Yeah. Say one. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Good job.
Plan with unlimited talk, unlimited text, and shareable data that connects up to 10 devices.
Are you saying prayers?
No extra charge. And now,
How do you say your prayers?
4G LTE smartphones like now
Say thank you, God.
$50 mail-in rebate debit card.
Close your eyes.
Instant savings.
Close your eyes so you can say your prayers.
Sarah and her whole family.
Get your hands folded. Close your eyes.
.com/sale or call 1-800-256-4646.
Close your eyes. Are you being silly? Look it, here comes the train. Do you see the train? Whoa! Big train. Is that big? It's kind of like a big truck, but it's a big train. It goes choo choo, choo choo. Can you say train? Train. Eli, can you show me your funny face? Eli? Hey. Yes, that's a train. Can you show mommy your funny face? That's not your funny face. Show mommy your funny face. Like this. Do your funny face. Big train. I want to see your funny face. No? Can you show mommy how you can wiggle, 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 wiggle? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Show mommy how you wiggle. You can't wiggle either? You can't do anything for mommy today? You little stinker. Say bye-bye, train.
I like to monitor my Visa account. It's something that's very, very useful, very, very safe, convenient. I've got a handle on everything at any time. Like I have a little office at the Federal Credit Union.
Big train. Yep, train's all gone. Now, can I see your funny face? There. That's a really funny face, Eli. Do you have any more funny faces? Whoa, you are funny. That's a pretty funny face, Eli. What about this funny face? That's a funny face too. Are you funny?
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Are you cute?
No.
Yes. Does mommy love you? Does mommy love Eli? Baby too?
Oh, my big dog.
Wow, that was a big truck. Be nice to the baby. Does the baby have an owie? Ariana?